My video tutorial is about getting rid of the new adware called Universal Display. Universal Display is the adware targeting many Mac computers all over the world today. This adware attacks Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers on Mac devices. Universal Display adware basically shows very annoying advertisements randomly on the computer screen. It may also sometimes redirect your browser to a lot of deceptive resources in the internet. If this universal display was found on your computer somehow, you need to get rid of it, so right click on it and move it to the trash. I recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install it, and then start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.